Would you wasn't killed by an advisor? He was betrayed by the man he trusted most. This was one of the richest kingdoms in Africa. Its people believed nothing could ever destroy it.
My kingdom is strong. No enemy can defeat us. Your Majesty, I bring a warning. Speak! The greatest danger to your kingdom is already inside this palace. Impossible. My soldiers protect every gate. Not every enemy enters through a gate.
While the kingdom celebrated, Betrayal sat at the king's table.
Tonight, we celebrate peace.
Golden cups slipped from the king's hand. In a single moment, the celebration became silence.
Help! Help! The king has collapsed!
Run to the mountains!
Mountain! The future of the kingdom must survive. Years passed. Every sunrise forged his strength. Every battle sharpened his courage. Now, break their defenses! The fortress is ours! I bring a warning. Speak! The greatest danger to your kingdom is already inside this palace. Impossible. My soldiers protect every gate. Not every enemy enters through a gate. Speak! The greatest danger to your kingdom is already inside this palace. Help! Help! The king has collapsed! The future of the kingdom must survive.
Your betrayal ends today.
Forgive me, my prince.
History remembers great kings, but it never forgives traitors. Would you have trusted the advisor? Follow for more untold African history. Discover the legacy. This is African Untold Histories.